This video teaches you how to add a repeating line of text to the top of each page of a Microsoft Word document. Adding a header. Click the Insert tab. Click Header. It's in the Header and Footer section that's on the right side of the row of options near the top of the screen. You'll see a list of header options in a drop-down menu. Click a header option. Selecting an option will add it to your document. Type in your header's text. This is the text that will appear at the top of every page. Click Close Header and Footer. Doing so will apply it to your document. You'll see your header text at the top of each page. Editing header settings. Double-click your header text. Doing so will open the Header Options menu in the bar near the top of the Word window. Review the header's basic settings. There are a couple of aspects of the header that you can edit in the Options and Position sections. Different first page. Check this box to customize your document's first page's header. It will appear different than the header on the rest of the pages. Click and drag your cursor across the header text. This will select it, which will allow you to modify it as needed. Click the Home tab. Doing so will allow you to edit the header by using options in the following sections. Font. Edit your text's font, size, color, and general formatting. Paragraph. Change your header's orientation. Double-click the Header tab. It's below your header's text. Doing so will save your changes and close the header section. If you're using the Different First Page option, you'll need to do this on a page other than the first for your changes to apply across your document, first page aside. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.